This is the normal waterfall clip, right? And watch what happens when I give the AI just one prompt and it transforms the entire scene into an ice cave. Surprising, right? And then I said, make it night. And it completely changed the whole environment. In this exact same video, no manual editing, no masking, just pure AI. And trust me, this is only the beginning. Let me show you how insane this Higgsfield Kling O1 actually is. Like legit, no video editing by manual process. Each and everything is done by AI. Let's start this video. So basically this is the actual AI tool, as you know. So the link you will get in the description, and just come to the video section here and you can just click on this Kling O1, and trust me, this is the best tool they have ever created. And the feature which we are gonna discuss today is of this edit video. Like, you don't have to hire a professional editor to edit your video, literally just you have to upload your video and just prompt it, and each and everything is edited and carried seamlessly by AI. Now let me explain you what capabilities it holds. Okay, this is the best editor till now. Now as you can see, we can relight the atmosphere, like you can change the daytime to dusk or add any cinematic lighting, and even this AI understands the geometry to adjust the light and shadow. Impressive, right? And what if I say you can even swap the object in your video, literally with perfect accuracy. This AI carries it so perfectly, and the result is absolutely mind blowing. Like, imagine you don't have to use any editor, just upload your video here, just prompt it, each and everything it will do. So as you can see, this video was of this frame, and our AI just zoomed in and just reframed the actual footage, and this was something crazy, right? Like, you can even literally modify your camera angles, and what if I say you can legit change your whole background. You can even remove or add objects, that too by whole natural stuff, just to have to prompt it. And even you can add objects by adding up to the 4 images at a time, or elements you can say. And just look at this clip, it was so black and white, you can say. It was so plain and simple, okay? But this AI tool holds the capability to just reframe it or recolor it with additional color grading, with artistic style application, with preserving motion too. And if your video is resolution is less, it can also increase it too, and also it can extend the keyframe of your video, right? So these features are something useful. Now our work is to test its actual capability, that how much capable this AI tool is. Okay, so we'll start with this test one. What I'll do is, I'll just randomly upload a video here. Okay, so it's hella simple. Let me click on this option, and this is my raw. And see, finally I'm uploading this raw footage. It's of a guy swimming near the waterfall. Okay, this is absolutely raw stuff, and let's see what this AI can edit into this. Now what I'll do is, I want to change the background of this video, but I have to keep each and everything same. So what I'll do is, I'm just entering the prompt in front of you. You can see it is an absolute raw prompt. Okay, if you wanna, you can generate it from the chat GPT by telling him what the changes you want, and just look at the magic. Like legit, this AI tool changed each and everything. It was just a random normal waterfall, but you can see, finally this AI tool has added a perfect wintry cave here, of like exact same from the image which I uploaded. So this is something awesome, you can see. And although it's crazy, like AI is holding this much capabilities, it's understanding your prompts, your wants, and it is implementing in the video. And you can even edit the style from here. Okay, and now what we'll do is, I'll upload the same video here, and what if I say this is the day, I want to convert this entire scene into the night. Okay, so this is something which we are testing, and many of the AI tools fail here to convert this video into absolute night time. And now let's see what does this AI tool create for us. So this is something, you can say, tough for AI, but finally our AI tool has created. And just look at the ambient lighting. Even though the character consistency is kinda tough for this AI to cope up, but Trust me guys, the texture of the water, the movement, the each and everything is so perfectly refined by AI. Okay, and till this time I am saying you, none of the AI tool is that much refined as compared to this tool to match this proper accuracy. But still this AI has shown its capabilities, and it's actually worth it. It is worth it, and you can use this AI tool, which is best among all the tools till now for the video edit. Okay, video editing, you can see anything you can edit here. This is perfect. Now what if I tell you, let's check one more capability of it, and we are gonna make it at top level. Now what I'll do is I'll upload this footage. Okay, I'll upload this footage, and we will prompt our AI to add a soft rain shower in it. So basically, let's see what output and outcome we are gonna get. So I have just extracted this prompt from ChatGPT, like add heavy cinematic rain throughout the scene, darker the environment slightly, add raindrops hitting the water surface, and increase the mist around the waterfall to keep the motion smooth and natural. So our prompt is perfectly refined, and this is gonna be the absolute tough level for this AI to just generate. But as you can see, he has shown its capabilities here too. So just look at that area, that soft rain shower. It's absolutely perfect. Like that soft mist you can see around it. It is very much impressive, and this AI tool has absolutely shown its perfect capabilities, and it's capable for video editing as well as the whole generation stuff too. So just go and try this out. This is a perfect tool which you ever wanna in your workflow, and we'll meet in the next video.